So, welcome to Young Bloom's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. This is the sister channel to Young Bloom's Flower School. I set up the Flower School in 2019 with a view to having a platform to be able to teach online for people who are setting up floristry businesses or setting out in the flower industry. I've been a florist for 20 odd years now, and I'm hugely passionate about creating community, a space where people can learn and develop their techniques. And the YouTube channel came alongside at a similar sort of time, and building that sort of community feel where people can ask questions about techniques, mechanics, all that sort of stuff. I have a huge passion for no-floral foam, so looking at sustainable ways to create designs, much like this design behind me, using dried flowers and moss. So I love what I do. I'm hugely passionate about flowers. I'm hugely passionate about running my own business. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the channel.